Hi everyone, now see our practical next experiment is op-amp as adder, that means the operational amplifier as a adder. Okay, in the operational amplifier or op-amp as they are more commonly called as are one of the basic building blocks of an analog electronic circuit. Okay, in that the op-amp are linear devices that have all the properties required for nearly ideal DC amplification and are therefore used extensively in signal conditioning, filtering, or to perform the mathematical different operations, okay, such as addition, subtraction, integration, and differentiation. Okay, these different mathematical operations we have done by using the operational amplifier. Okay, here in a mathematical operation addition, that means the adder, we have done the by using the op-amp, operational amplifier. Okay, op-amp is fundamentally a voltage amplifying device. Op-amp is a fundamentally voltage amplifying device designed to be used with external feedback components such as a resistor and capacitor between its output and input terminals. Okay, mostly op-amp is used in a voltage amplifying device. Okay, here now see our experiment. Aim of the given experiment is to study the operation of adder by using op-amp 741. Here use the operational amplifier 741. Now see by using the apparatus or different electronic devices in our experiment is the IC 741. This IC 741 integrated circuit 741 is the operational amplifier IC. Then dual power supply, here used a dual power supply, that means the positive power and negative power is used in a operational amplifier. Okay, then used by using the multimeters, okay, etc. different electronic components, resistors, okay, used in our experiment. Okay, now see the circuit diagram. In our experiment consists of two different part first is the offset balance and second part is the op-amp as adder circuit. Okay, now see the first part is the offset balance. Offset balance means in that offset balance means the connection in given circuit diagram. By using this connection according to the circuit diagram, by applying the power to the circuit and measure the output voltage. Okay, and this voltage is the offset voltage, and this offset voltage in our circuit diagram by using the 10 kilo ohm pot. This pot vary to the output voltage is set to the 0. Okay, so this is called as a offset null. That means when the apply the input, okay, whatever input, then output goes to the 0. Okay, this is called as a offset null. So see the circuit diagram of the first part, offset balance. Okay, in here operational amplifier 741 is the here used. 2 number pin is the inverting terminal and 3 number pin is the non-inverting terminal. Here inverting terminal connected 10 kilo ohm resistor which are connected in a ground, 2 number to ground. Then inverting terminal, here used 3 number pins which are connected 10 kilo ohm resistor. This resistor again connected in a ground. Okay, now see here feedback 10 kilo ohm resistor here used. Here the inverting terminal connected 10 kilo ohm resistor which are connected in a output 6 number pin. Okay, this is the feedback resistor. Okay, and then output is gives to the 6 number pin. So here this operational amplifier connected apply the dual power supply. Here the positive supply and negative supply. Okay, positive supply is the 7 number pin of the operational amplifier and negative supply is the 4 number pin of the operational amplifier. Here used a plus 12 volt and minus 12 volt. Okay, dual power supply in IC 741. Now see here the connected 10 kilo ohm pot. Okay, and this pot is connected pin 1 to 5. Okay, and 4 number is the variable connected pot pin in pin number 4. Now see, this is the circuit diagram of offset balance. Now see the procedure. Okay, in a procedure, firstly connect the circuit according to the circuit diagram, get it checked and apply the power to the circuit. Now see, the second procedure is the measure the output voltage, and this voltage is the offset voltage. Then use the pot of 10 kilo ohm and make output voltage is 0. This is called as a offset null. Then now the connect the adder circuit, get it check and apply the power to circuit. That means here second part connection are complete when the offset null is here कंप्लीट. म्हणजे ऑफसेट नल आपण फर्स्ट पार्टमध्ये आउटपुट हे आपण 0 केल्यानंतर सेकंड पार्ट आपण कनेक्शन करणार आहोत. ओके, म्हणजे फर्स्टला ऑफसेट नल करून घ्यायचं आणि देन सेकंड कनेक्शन हे कनेक्ट करायचं. नाव कनेक्ट द ॲडर सर्किट, गेट इट चेक अँड अप्लाय द power to circuit. Then apply the suitable input voltage V1 and V2 to the circuit. Measure the output voltage and take at least 3 reading by varying the voltage of the input signal. Calculate the output voltage and verify it with theoretical value. Now see, the second part is the adder. Okay, second part is the here adder. Okay, see the circuit diagram of adder. Here in operational amplifier 741, non-inverting terminal is the connected in a ground. Okay, and inverting terminal apply the two 10 kilo ohm resistors which are connected in a parallelly and apply the V1 and V2 voltage which are the varying. Okay, इथं पॉट आपण कनेक्ट केलेले आहेत V1 and V2 voltage आपण व्हॅरी करण्यासाठी. ओके, देन parallelly connected 10 kilo ohm resistors and two resistors are connected in a inverting terminal of a 741. Then feedback resistor 10 kilo ohm resistor which are connected in a inverting terminal input to the output 6 number pin of the operational amplifier, and output is observed or measured to the 6 number pin. That is the V out is equal to minus V1 plus V2. Plus means the here done the adder, that means the addition by using the operational amplifier, and minus sign is indicate the when apply the input voltage which are inverting terminal, that means the minus. So here minus signs indicate. Same that of the positive power supply is connected in a 7 number pin and negative supply is connected in a 4 number pin. 1 and 5 number connected pot in a 10 kilo ohm. Okay, in this way this circuit diagram is designed in our experiment. Then second observation table. See here, observe the input voltage V1 in volt. Here apply the V1 voltage and V2 voltage. Both voltages are here variable. Okay, here input voltage V1 in volt and output voltage V2 in volt. Here input voltage V1 in volt and here again input voltage V2 in volt. आपण इथं काय करणार आहे, V1 and V2 voltage अप्लाय करणार आहे. देन ऑब्झर्व द व्होल्टेज V आउट इन व्होल्ट. दॅट मीन्स द 6 नंबर पिनला आपण आउटपुट व्होल्टेज ऑब्झर्व करणार आहे. ओके, मग आउटपुट व्होल्टेज काय येणार आहे, मायनस V1 प्लस V2. ओके, मायनस साईन काय येणार आहे, तर हिअर इनपुट व्होल्टेजेस आर अप्लाय और कनेक्टेड इन अ inverting terminal of operational amplifier. Okay, and then addition of the apply the two different voltages V1 plus V2. Then here calculated output voltage V out in volt. Okay, हे आपण इथं कॅल्क्युलेट करून लिहिणार आहे बाय युझिंग द सायंटिफिक कॅल्सी अँड ऑब्झर्व दॅट मीन्स द इन आवर सर्किट इन आवर चासी IC 741 आउटपुट ऑफ दी 6 नंबर. इथं 6 नंबरला आपण मल्टीमीटरवरती काय करणार तर आउटपुट हे मेजर करणार, दॅट मीन्स द ऑब्झर्व. देन हिअर कॅल्क्युलेशन दॅट मीन्स द हिअर बाय युझिंग द फॉर्म्युला V आउट इज इक्वल टू मायनस V1 प्लस V2. Then result from above observation table, it is seen that op-amp can be used as an inverting adder and its output is directly proportional to the addition of the input voltage. Okay, now in this way this our practical experiment operational amplifier as adder chart is here, totally chart is here explained. Then our next video, this experiment is done in our laboratory. Okay, thank you all of you.